Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are live after 5 a.m. It is a wonderful Monday, January 9th, and I'm in my period 1 class, and it is freezing cold outside. So we're glad to be in a warm classroom. So the question today posed by this wonderful class is, I can't see my image when you load it. Is that correct? Okay, has that happened to anybody else in here? All right. The reason why is that it might be the wrong type of file, or it might have parentheses in its name. Are you with me on that? When you download stuff from the internet, sometimes it'll go image 1, image 2, image 3, and it'll go image parentheses 1, image parentheses 2, image parentheses 3. And if you try to upload something with parentheses in the name, it will not work. Okay? So, what do I need? I need a voice. So I'm just going to say voice icon. And then I'm going to type in PNG. I like to type in PNG so I can find them. And then that way they're usually there with transparencies. Okay, so there's a nice voice icon right there. See how it has transparencies in it? Okay, so that's cool. So you want to go to view image, right click, save image as. Now, do you see this name here? I really don't care about the name, but notice it is a PNG. And I just want to make sure there's no parentheses in this name. If I have parentheses, it probably won't work. Okay? So then I go to MIT, I go to button 1, I go to image, upload, choose a file. Where is that one at? Oh, there it is. It's in period 6 class. So go ahead and open that up. And there it is. Now you're going to notice it's huge, right? That's because I didn't set my height and width. So let's go back and check out. We did 48 by 48. So here you want to go 48 by 48. Keep it congruent with or consistent with your other ones. Okay, 48 by 48. Also want to make it round like my other one. I want to get rid of the text so there's no text on it. And that's looking pretty good. Okay, let's go to the next share button. Image, upload, choose a file. Do I have a share button? Yeah, I have a share button already. Open. It's probably going to go really big. Yeah, look how big that one is. So what it does is if you don't specify the height and width of it, it puts it in as the whatever the original size of the file was, it puts it in automatically at that size. That's why there's something up here called automatic. See how it's automatic right there? So you want to go to 48 pixels by 48 pixels. And you can go oval and you can go delete. Okay. Notice they're not in the middle. So now you want to go back to HA lower buttons. You want to go horizontal center, and those buttons now should be centered, looking good. Still not uploading. What kind of a file is it? This is an XCF file. If it's an XCF, it will not handle it. It's got to be a PNG or a JPG. It's a PNG image. It's a .png. I'd just go get another one. That's all I can tell you. Don't spin your wheels too much. You know what I mean? If it's not working, just... There's plenty out there that does work. Are you with me? So, if it's not working, just go try to quickly download. I mean, it could take 30 seconds to download something else instead of spending 10 minutes on something. Just go get something else. Yeah. Did you go to image, upload? Who knows how to upload an image? Okay, can you jump over and help her? You can get a piece of candy. Yeah. Putting it in the box. So, you know, I have to click on my button up here, right? Click on the one that I want. I've got reset, take pick, you know, voice, share. I've got all that, okay? I have to pick the one that I want, then go to my image box, do the upload, choose your file, hit OK. You with me? I got to go through those steps to upload. All right, so let's just stay here for a second. Let's go get cool background. So watch this. Type in cool backgrounds. Guess what you get when you type in cool backgrounds? Yeah. We're doing digital doodle, so I want all kinds of different colors. So I'm going to pick one of these rainbow ones. You guys with me? Everybody see one they like? Which one? This one? Down? Here? Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, so I'm going to go to view image. Look at all these over here, too. Those are cool. So you guys can have fun with this. Go to view image. I don't know where it went. Let's go back. Right click, save image as, documents. See, and this is trying to save it as a Chrome HTML document. I don't want to do that. So this one may not be working. That's really cool. It's cool. It's cool. So this wasn't working for me. So just go find, there's plenty out there that will. Are you guys with me on that? So go get a cool background. Kind of like this one. So I'm going to go to view image, right click, save image as. Once again, as long as this is a JPEG, and as long as there's no parentheses in there, this should work. So then you go to MIT, and now I'm going to go to screen 1, background image, and do the same thing. Upload, choose. There's my background image. I'm going to hit OK. And wait for it. Takes a second because it's a big file. And there it is. There's my cool background image. Okay, now, do you guys see how some of these icons don't really work very well? Okay, so you may want to choose some different icons. Notice this one here is very square. Okay, not good. I don't want this reset button here. I don't like this at all because it's square. And I probably would change this microphone so I can see it, because I can't see it very well. So I'm going to go ahead and change my microphone. Go get a different microphone. Let me go back to some different classes. Yeah, here's a cool microphone. You'll be able to see it. That's cool. That's a microphone. You can see that one. I don't like this one, so I'm going to change this reset button. So just go back and get another reset button. You guys with me on that? That's a JPEG. That's why it's coming out with a white background, not a clear background. So let me go in here and see if I got some different ones. That's a JPEG. That's not going to have it. That's a JPEG. That's a PNG. This one should be good here. And there it is. See how the PNGs come out transparent? Yeah. JPG? Yeah, JPEG should work. Okay. All right, we are still not finished with our GUI. Okay. Remember, across the bottom, we need our software. All right, so we're going to have to go into our media, and we need to drag in a camera. So go to your media file, drag in a camera. We could drag in a sound. I could show you how to do a sound today. We need a speech recognizer, text to speech. And let's go to sensors. We need an accelerometer. And what else? I think that's about it. Okay. All right, so I'm done with the GUI. Okay. I'm going to pause right here.